Are both those like
I do 2 questions, and then you take the quiz. Okay?
Can they be like questions that maybe on the quiz? Can you give some examples?
So, what are the 2 formulas we've mostly been focused on so far? Law of cosines and law of sines. What's the situation where we use the law of sines?
Ambiguous.
Okay,
No.
SSA is one of them. Probably wouldn't be mean enough to give that to on the quiz.
It's not the side.
Wait, is
Not side, 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 or side, angle, side.
Angle, angle, side.
Angle, angle, side, or
angle side angle angle side angle side angle.
okay.
Oh, you got it right.
I thought you were saying it all of
No. Wait, can you leave that on the board?
For like while I'm doing the things. So this would be like an example. So we've been asked to solve the triangle, so we need to find angle C as well as sides B and C. First thing I should do is draw a picture. Okay. What do I name first? Angles or sides? Angles. Okay. How do I name the sides? Yep. Okay. Then I should
Fill in the blank.
fill in the givens.
It's the opposite.
So, yep, Nick says this is angle, angle, side. So I should be using law of sines here. Okay. I'll provide to you the law of sines formula on the quiz, so you don't have to have it memorized.
I think I might.
That's the law of sines. So to decide how I'm going to write this formula, I'm going to look at what I have and look for the place where I know the side and the angle for both for the same letter. Both the side and the angle for the same letter. So I'm going to start sine of angle A over side A equals, now what is the other angle I'm given? B. So I'm going to have to do B over side B. Now we cross multiply. Divide by sine 50. And then what is it time for? Calculator. Before you type anything into your calculator, what should you check? Should check the mode. What mode should your calculator be in? Degree mode. Oops. 10 times, I forget, it was sine 30. That's my value for side view.
It should say on the top if you're on radian or degree.
Correct, yeah, if it says EEG on the top somewhere, you're good. There's some on my desk, you're welcome to buy one. So far, so good? Now I need to find angle C and side C remaining. Oh no, I don't know either one of them. How am I gonna use the law of sines if I don't know either angle C or side C?
Couldn't you just,
You find angle.
Yeah, so Gabby says angle C is just gonna be 180 minus angle A minus angle B. That one's like kind of there for free from me. Could I have found that before I found side B?
Yeah.
Sure. Doesn't matter the order that you do this problem in? No. Okay. Now that I know angle C, I can use the law of sines, right? So I'll start it the same way. Sine A over A equals sine C over C. And then I cross multiply and divide and like the same algebra. And I get 12.86.
Are you sure we can push back the quiz?
We take it on Friday.
How many questions are on this?
3.
But I think
Like all three like kind of just the same thing to each other?
No. I mean, they're all solve the triangle problems.
Yeah.
Yeah, then yes.
Are they all ones that we've done in the homework so far, or are they? I can't see either.
No, I don't think
Or do you not get to answer that?
There's entirely too much going on. I can't even concentrate. I can't imagine you can really concentrate on what's going on. No ambiguous case here. Test yes, here no. E no. Dan.
so I know that this sine is angle side and angle. For cosine is in side angle side, and then angle side angle.
Side angle is still a law of sines problem, but that's the ambiguous case one where I'm not going to ask you to do that on that quiz yet.
Wait, which one is that side sign?
Yeah. So the other two situations that we talked about yesterday were side, and side angle side, right? To do these, you need to use the law of cosines. Let's do an example.
How long does this quiz do you think is going to take?
15 minutes.
Any question?
Is it on the quiz that we have side and side since the
Side, side, side.
It's just not gonna be like a 0.
I mean, you should check that. Side, 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 side.
All right, I'm ready to fail.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this.
No.
I was,
Oh
I mean, I said 2 examples, I did 1.
Can we just do this one and then you guys can take the quiz?
You're gonna fail?
Yes. Can we just do just this example, please?
So,
Yeah.
to solve the triangle, what do I need to do? How do I start?
Draw a triangle.
Draw the picture. What do I label first? Sides or angles? How do I label the sides?
Opposite sides of the two.
Okay. Now what do I do?
You
Fill in the givens.
so it's side angle side.
So this is side angle side, which tells me I need to be using the law of cosines. So in the law of cosines, the first thing you're going to solve for, or for a side angle side situation, the first thing you're going to solve for is the side opposite the given angle. So I'm going to write my law of cosines version.
Did we get that in the quiz?
Can somebody answer if I give you the formulas?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's like all along.
It's up there.
For like the side, you have to check, and if like the 2 legs are less than the like biggest side, then what if you
So I just filled into the formula here, right?
I'm just putting our calculator.
So c squared is going to equal so that's c squared, but what do I want?
You want to get C.
C. So I have to square root that. Is that 11.93?
So C equals 11.92.
So if you're gonna decimate, you just round it to 1.
I would say 2 decimal places.
Wait, for the 142, I got 142.364.
Well, I square rooted the whole thing. Like, you know, like, look at the calculator, what I did. Square root of the whole thing.
So do you just how do you square root it if I already have
See how it says in blue ANS on that button? Second button gives you the ANS, which is just whatever the last answer in your calculator is.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay. All right. What do I do next? I have 2 things left to find, right? Angle A and angle B. Does the order matter?
Is it whatever the
Side, 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 you start with the bigger. When there's 2 angles left, you find the smaller. How many angles do I have left? 2. When I have 3 angles left, I start with the biggest.
So you would solve for angle A.
So in this case, I would find angle A.
Because
It's the opposite of the small stuff.
That's because everyone in the back is talking over top of me, even though they've decided they're going to fail already. But instead of trying to learn something, we're just going to have a separate conversation, ignore me, and act like they can't even hear what I'm saying when I'm talking right about them.
What?
Yeah. Shh. Distracting everyone else. Thank you. What was the clarification that needed to happen now?
So when there's two angles left, we already have one, so then when there's two, you do the smaller one.
Correct.
And then when there's three,
You want to start with the biggest one. Okay? So, what case will you have three angles defined?
Side, side, side.
Side, side, side. What case will you have two angles defined?
Side, side, side.
And inside, side, side. After you found the first angle, you're going to have two angles left. So both of those situations, when there's two angles left, smallest of the two. Okay? And how did we know angle A was the smaller of the two? Because side A is smaller than side B.
I got it. No, actually.
I don't think you're out of the two small percentage.
Okay, I just was like, so where did you get that equation from?
That's the law of sine.
Okay, and that's also what is
Correct.
it's not bad.
So you don't use the formula for the law of cosine again?
You can, but the law of sines is so much easier to use. When you're solving for an angle, I'd much rather do this than law of cosines.
Like, would you be able to get first one for the log cosine and use the log sine for all of them? Because I feel like
And we'll divide by 11.93. Now, how do I get rid of that sign that's wrapped around the angle A? Sine inverse. And what time is it now? So I have 24.37. And how do I find angle B?
Just
180.
180 minus the other angles.
Good.
Okay, what?
it's 180 minus the other two angles.
I think that's right. Me trying to mental math it, but.
Okay, yep, I'm ready.